Now this is the graph representing your freezing point depression, right? So here if you see the curve AB, this is the curve which I am talking about, curve AB, this is representing your solvent only, pure solvent, and the temperature corresponding to this is Tf naught. This is your freezing point of pure solvent. When a solvent is added to solution, the freezing point curve is represented by this curve. So from D, the curve is meeting at this point. Curve BC is representing the solid solvent when solute is added to solvent. Once you lower down the temperature, then you will get a specific temperature at which, let us say this is point D. This is point D. This is the temperature at which the solution freezes. Further, if you lower down the temperature, the solvent will freeze. So this curve is representing a freezing of solvent. Therefore, if you at any point of time, if you see Tf is always less than Tf naught, that is freezing point of the pure solvent is greater than freezing point of the solution. That is known as freezing point depression. The difference between the Tf and Tf naught is delta Tf, and delta Tf is called freezing point depression. So the curve, when you see when solution curve meets the solvent curve, so this is the vapor pressure at which the solution and the solvents becomes, solute and the solvent has equal vapor pressure. So this is known as freezing point depression.